Welcome to Star Chat, the podcast that's out of this world. I'm your host, Carl, and we're thrilled to have you joining us today for another episode of cosmic conversations and astronomical adventures. Grab a seat, buckle up, and get ready to blast off into the vast expanse of space exploration. Today, we're going to talk about a groundbreaking development that's got everyone in the space community buzzing. You might have heard the news: cellular connectivity is coming to the moon. That's right, folks. Soon, astronauts will be able to stay connected with mission control and even share their lunar experiences with the world in real time. The team at Nokia Bell Labs has been working tirelessly to adapt existing cellular technologies for use on the lunar surface. And just a few months ago, they successfully tested their system on a commercial mission to the moon. The implications are mind-boggling. Imagine being able to watch high-definition video of astronauts exploring the moon's surface or receiving real-time updates on their missions. But this technology isn't just about keeping us entertained. It's also crucial for the safety and success of future space missions. With cellular connectivity, astronauts will be able to transmit vital data back to Earth, receive critical instructions for mission control, and even stay in touch with loved ones during their time on the moon. As we look to the future of space exploration, it's clear that reliable communication systems will play a vital role in our quest to explore the cosmos. And, who knows, maybe one day we'll even have cellular connectivity on Mars. The possibilities are endless, and we can't wait to see what the future holds. We'll be right back with more fascinating space news on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat, folks. We're exploring the vast expanse of space and all its wonders. In this segment, we're going to take a fascinating journey to the red planet, Mars. You might have heard about some intriguing rock formations that NASA's Curiosity rover has been discovering lately. These peculiar rocks have sparked curiosity among scientists and space enthusiasts alike. Imagine walking on the Martian surface, surrounded by an alien landscape of rust-red hues and towering mountains. The Curiosity rover has been roaming this unforgiving terrain since 2012, uncovering secrets about Mars's ancient past. Recently, it stumbled upon some remarkable rock formations that resemble coral or flowers. These structures are not evidence of life on Mars, but rather a testament to the planet's complex geological history. The rocks, which have been dubbed coral-like or flower-like, are actually the result of millions of years of erosion and weathering. Water once flowed on Mars, shaping the landscape and creating unique formations like these. The wind has since worn away the surrounding rock, leaving behind these intriguing shapes. While they might not be signs of life, they do provide valuable insights into Mars's evolution from a wet world to the barren desert we see today. But that's not all, folks. NASA's Perseverance rover has also been exploring Mars and making some remarkable discoveries. It recently came across a rock that resembles a Dumbo octopus, or a helmet, complete with small rounded nodules that resemble concretions. These formations are a reminder of the incredible diversity of Martian geology and the many secrets still waiting to be uncovered. As we continue to explore Mars, we're reminded of the pioneering missions that paved the way for our current understanding of the planet. The Viking 1 mission, which launched in 1975, was a groundbreaking endeavor that aimed to search for signs of life on Mars. Although it didn't find definitive evidence of life, it marked a major milestone in our quest to understand the red planet. Today, NASA's Artemis missions are building upon this legacy, laying the groundwork for the first crewed missions to Mars. As we push the boundaries of space exploration, we're driven by an insatiable curiosity about the universe and our place within it. Stay tuned for our final story of the day, right here on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat, dear listeners. As we conclude another fascinating episode, I'd like to take you on a journey to the forefront of human space exploration. Today, we're going to talk about the latest developments in NASA's Artemis program, which aims to return humans to the lunar surface and eventually send them to Mars. As we speak, NASA is gearing up for the Artemis 2 mission, a crucial step towards establishing a sustainable presence on the moon. This mission will send astronauts, Reed Wiseman, Victor Glover, Christina Koch, and Jeremy Hansen on an approximately 10-day journey around the moon, testing the systems and hardware needed for human deep space exploration. But before we dive into the details of Artemis II, let's talk about the next generation of astronauts who will be taking us to the stars. NASA has recently selected a new class of astronaut candidates who will undergo nearly 2 years of training before they become flight-eligible astronauts. These individuals will be the vanguard of humanity's push into the cosmos, and we can't wait to see what they achieve. Now, let's take a look at the Artemis II mission itself. This test flight will launch on the Space Launch System rocket and Orion spacecraft, sending the crew on a lunar flyby that will help confirm the systems and hardware needed for human deep space exploration. The mission is scheduled to launch no later than April 2026, and it's an exciting step towards new U.S. crewed missions on the moon's surface. As we look to the future of space travel, it's clear that international cooperation will play a vital role in helping us achieve our goals. The Artemis program is a testament to this, with partners like the Canadian Space Agency contributing their expertise and resources to the mission. So, what can you expect from NASA in the coming months? Well, there will be a series of media briefings and events that will give us a glimpse into the world of Artemis II. From mission overviews to science and technology briefings, these events will provide a wealth of information about the mission and its objectives. As we close out today's episode, I want to leave you with a sense of excitement and wonder. The possibilities that lie before us in space are endless, and it's an incredible time to be alive. Whether you're an astronaut, an engineer, or simply someone who looks up at the stars in awe, we all have a role to play in shaping the future of human space exploration. That's all for today's Star Chat. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, remember to keep looking up at the stars.